Hi, welcome to Word Work, where we put words to work, word by word. In this video, you will learn some words related to one occupation. Here are the words to learn. Warehouse worker, textile, shipping, receiving, inventory, inspects, forklift, pallet truck, unloads, stacks, shelf, conveyor, scanner, stock. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do. Click the notification bell so that you will be notified when there's a new video posted. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Now learn to use each word in a sentence. Mark is a warehouse worker. Mark works in a textile warehouse. Mark works in the shipping and receiving area. Mark takes inventory on each shift. Mark inspects the boxes. Mark drives a forklift. Mark moves large boxes with a pallet truck. Mark unloads boxes from a pallet truck. Mark stacks the pallets on a shelf. Mark removes a box from the conveyor. Mark uses a scanner to check the items in stock. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.